Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Vespa Fix and Fun. Today I'm going to explain you how to diagnose that your clutch on your Vespa PX or any large frame, vintage frame is worn out. There are two things that you can inspect by starting on your engine Vespa that you're running. The first method is really the most easy one. If you start on your Vespa, if you're standing on your Vespa and then you shift the gear to the fourth and then you try to release the clutch. If your Vespa didn't move at all and the engine will not turn off and the engine is run free, that is mean your clutch may worn out because there is no cork plate anymore. The cork is split out as I show you in the clip of the assembly of the clutch before. And when there is no cork plate anymore running, your Vespa is run free and your clutch is finished. And the second method, if your clutch still has some cork but it's very thin, then your Vespa is still rideable, it still move. But when you're riding on the high speed, when you grab the gas cable and then the engine is boom, but your Vespa didn't move together as the engine sound and it's a bit run free, that is another sign that your cork plate is almost finished and you should inspect on your clutch unit. And this is very common because you will never know how the clutch is almost worn out or not, only when you ride. And the second method is the most easiest way, and it's very good because if the cork is completely run out and you ride your Vespa, the plate to plate, metal to metal will make a shiny on the friction plate. And when you fix on your clutch unit, you may have to change the friction plate, the plate without the cork also, which will make cost of you to fix. So there are two methods that from my experience how to inspect that the clutch of the Vespa is going to be finished or not. And I hope these two tips will be very useful for you. So enjoy your fixing Vespa and hope to see you next clip. Bye bye.